Hi everyone, welcome to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to delete Skrill account permanently. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with, and on the search URL type in skrill.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this page. Now first of all, log into your Skrill account. For that, click on login button from the upper right corner. Here enter your email, then under that enter your password, then click on login. You will be logged into your account. Now in order to delete your account, click on your profile icon from the upper right corner. Then a dialog box will pop up. From there, click on settings. You will land on this settings page. Now under account settings, you will get close account. Click on there. Here, before you close your account, you have to enter the reason what made you close your account. That's optional. If you want to enter that, enter your other reasons, or else you can go with close my account. And it says your account was successfully closed. So this is how you can delete your Skrill account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.